Okay, so here's a video of some extra problems, section 5.5 with the triangle inequality theorem. Yeah, so if you obviously haven't watched section 5.5, the video for class, go do that first, and then here's me just going through some examples. So, triangle inequality theorem states that the sum of any two lengths of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the third side. The real trick to this, to this is that the sum of the two smallest sides had to be more than the third. Otherwise, it doesn't work out. So that's kind of the quick, dirty way to say it. So for these problems here, basically what you just do is you add the two shortest sides and see if they have to be more than the third. So for this one, 4 plus 9, that's the shortest. That's 13, not bigger than 15, not a triangle. 8, 1.2, or 1.1 plus 8.2 is 9.3, not bigger than the 9.9, so not one either. This was homework. If you have two sides of a triangle are 8 or 11 and 18, what's the third side? Or what's the range for the third side? Oh, excuse me, sorry. So here's what basically we know. We have where the unknown side's the smallest side, or it's the biggest side. That's the key to this. So x plus 11 is less than 18, or sorry, it's greater than 18, which means x is greater than 7, or 11 plus 18 is greater than x, meaning that x is less than 29. So that's the case. X is between 7 and 29 for our missing side. Okay, other problems. Same type of thing here on 12 and 13. Except for on 12, it's 4 and 8. So we have 4 and 8. So again, x could be the smallest side, or x could be the biggest side. So x either got to be greater than, I'm sorry, x plus 4 is greater than 8, which means x is greater than 4, or 4 plus 8 is greater than x, meaning x is less than 12. So that means that x has to be between 4 and 12. Same thing there. Number 20. Number 20. Here we go. This time, same idea. We've got x plus 5, 2x plus 22, and 5x minus 7. So those are our three sides. So here's what we're going to set up. X plus 5 plus 2x plus 22 is greater than 5x minus 7. That's one inequality. The other one, x plus 5 plus 5x minus 7 is greater than 2x plus 22. And the last one is the fact that 2x plus 22 plus 5x minus 7 is greater than x plus 5. So that's all the different ways we could set up these three guys here. So now solve them. 3x plus 27 is greater than 5x minus 3. So I don't know, subtract 3x, add 3. 30 is greater than 2x. 15x is greater than x. X is less than 15. Okay, that's one stipulation we know. Other than over here, x plus 5x is 6x, minus 2 is greater than 2x plus 22. So subtract 2x, add 2. This is 4x is greater than 24, x is greater than 6. Okay, so right now that means x is between 6 and 15. Last one then, 2x and 5x is 7x, 22 and 7 is 15. That's greater than x plus 5. Subtract an x, subtract 15. We get 6x is greater than negative 10. X is greater than negative 5/3. Well, that doesn't matter because it doesn't fit between our 6. So our interval is that x is between 6 and 15. Then 22, last one we'll look at for the video. Dakota wants to take the most efficient route from his house to a soccer tournament at the Sportsplex. He can take Country Line Road, or he can take Highway 4 and then Route 6 to get to the Sportsplex. Which of the two routes is the shortest? Explain your reasoning. So again, we know we have Highway 4, which is 4 miles, Route 6, which is 25, and then County Line, which is 30. Okay. Now the thing is, I don't actually have to do any work here if there's a direct route, the direct route will be shorter than the sum of the other two routes because, again, the other two routes have to be longer than the third route. So the county line road is 30 miles. The other ones are together going to be 47. County line's quicker, or shorter at least. Now for B, it says suppose Dakota always drives below the speed limit. If there's a speed limit of 30 miles an hour on the county line road and Highway 4 and Route 6 is 55 miles an hour, which route will be faster? Okay. Well, here's the deal. I'll go to this. Okay. So Highway 6, so the highway in Route 6 Highway 4, not Highway 4. Highway 4 is 22. There we go. Something's wrong there. So Highway 4 and Highway 6 together are 47 miles at 55 miles per hour. Okay. County Line Road is 30 miles at 30 miles per hour. Now, if I look at these distances, this guy's going to take me 1 hour. It's going to take 30 miles in 1 hour. I'm going to go 1 hour. I'm going to go 30 miles. This one here, I'm going less than 55 miles, but I can go 55 miles an hour. So this has to be less than 1 hour. So it'd be better to do the two longer distances actually than the shorter one, which is strange, but that's the way it works out with the time. Okay. All right. If you have anything else, again, this is a quick run through of some of those problems you did in class. Come in, go back through, look at the other examples, whatever it is you need to do to get caught up. But hopefully this helped out some.